I am Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal and Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, presenting the chapter The Poisonous Act 1919. The Poison Act 1919 consists of objective, possession for sale and sale of any poison, import of poison, offences and penalties, and list of poisonous substances. The Poison Act 1919. According to this act, central government is authorized to regulate import of poison and the state government are authorized to regulate possession for the sale and sale of poisons within their respective areas. Any substance specified as a poison under this act deemed to be poison for the purpose of this act. Objective of this act. First, the main object of passing this act was to regulate and control the import, possession and sale of poison. Second, central government is authorized to regulate the import of poison in India and state government is authorized to make the rules regarding the possession and sale of poisons. Possession for sale and sale of any poison. First point, possession for sale and sale of any poison. State government may regulate the possession for sale and sale, whether wholesale or retail, of any specified poison. State government has power to make rules in this connection which may provide for, first, the grant of license for the possession for the sale, wholesale or retail of any specified poison and fixing of fees to be charged for licenses. Second, the classes of persons to whom the licenses for the possession for sale and sale of poisons are to be granted. Third, the maximum quantity of any poison that may be sold to a person. Fourth, maintenance of the registers for the sale of poisons and inspection of the same. Fifth, safe custody of poison and the labeling of the vessels, coverings or packages in which such a poison is sold or stored for sale. And sixth, inspection and examination of any such a poison possessed for sale by any vendor. Possession of any poison. The state government has power to make rules regarding the possession of any specified poison in local area where such occurrences are very frequent. Any break of this rule is punished with imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine up to ₹1,000 or both, together with confiscation of the poison in respect of which the breach has been committed. Import of poisons. Import of specified poison is allowed only under and in accordance with the conditions of a license. Central government may regulate the grant of such a license. Offences and penalties under Poison Act. Offences: unlawful possession for sale and sale of poison. Second, importation without a license of any poison, the importation of which is for the time being restricted by central government. Third, breach of any condition of a license for the importation of any poison granted to him are punishable. First, with imprisonment up to 3 months or with fine up to ₹500 or with both on a first conviction, and second, with imprisonment up to 6 months or with fine up to ₹1,000 or with both on a second or subsequent conviction. Then, poison in respect of which an offence has been committed together with the vessel, packages or coverings is liable for confiscation. Substances which are deemed to be poisonous are categorized into List A and List B. List A are aconite, aconine, arsenic, atropine, belladonna, cantharides, chloral hydrate, etc. And List B, essential oil of almonds, antimonal wines, all salts of barium except barium sulfate, carbolic acid, etc. Thank you.